Listen, I'm outside the club. You disappeared. We're both wearing nails. I could barely call your ass. Oh, you just texted me. Never mind.
Yeah, fucking with a bitch like me, never easy. Been around the block a couple times, niggas greasy. That nigga need me, I need to check it, ain't no secret. Give a nigga hell, he give me neck, bitch, we even. Priceless, candy coated ice wrist. Crack a hater teeth, you can't compete, I'm not a nice bitch. I ain't tryna kick it with you bitches, y'all some amateurs. I'm a solid bitch, I handle pussies like a bachelor. Pressure don't make nothing but the diamond. Cop a couple chains, put it in the ring. Now I'm flexing on my fucking pain. I'm sorry for them, I'm so sentimental. Shoot you with your dental. Now my come up fucking with your mentor. Only choose a renter, mind your business. Eat your fucking lentils. Check my damn credentials. You a hater, bitch, with no potential. The coldest winter, grab a sweater, baby, bundle up. I been way too nice, but now it's time for me to run it up. I'm about to piss these bitches out. I'm about to piss these bitches out. I know I make these bitches sick. Motherfuck that nigga, he gon' leave you for a yellow bitch. She gon' fuck his credit and his life up, I could never trip. Bitches love to play in my aesthetic cause it's cute too. All that baby hair ain't worth a damn when niggas shoot you. Bitches wanna see me in the slammer, they don't bother me. I don't be for free, you wanna smoke me, pay the booking fee. You want me to fail, bitch, I can't do your ass no favors. I'm the truth and you a fable. Been that bitch like fuck a labor. I'm a artist, not a piece of paper. You hate me now, but on my life, that bitch gon' love me later. I'm necessary for the culture, they can't run without me. I'm still they motherfuck if they don't give a fuck about me. I gave my struggle to the public and they ain't respect it. If I was naked with a 30-inch, they label me the realest bitch. I'm in this bitch, my kids all in the cut, they posted up like they on gang shit, and all I make is fucking hits. I'm about to piss these bitches out. I'm about to piss these bitches out. I know I make these bitches sick.
Pull up, drop top horses, off white forces, take shit squirt, distortion. Perk got me distorted. This here cost too much, you can't afford it. Yo, whole way too boring. Pull up form, I'm flexing, can't ignore it. Known to put that shit on, this ain't high demand hoe if I wore it. They really mad that I'm taking off. I be in the mouth like dental floss. I told my little Nina Ross, I sit it right on her lips like gloss. Wanna forward the boss, that bitch that cost. Pick on a bitch, ooh, we like sauce. I'm catching plays like Randy Moss. Could've been had a meal out of shit I bought. AMG just hit the E-way, I'm like skirt, skirt, skirt. I walk in this hoe so icy, they like brr, brr, brr. Deep baguettes all in my neck with chandelier, lur, lur. He go crazy for this pussy, he like purr, purr, purr. I push his face down to my boss, yeah, he go nasty, nasty. If a nigga get the chance to fuck bitch chan, it ain't no way he passing. Catch your nigga up under my post hard eyes, he love to gas me. Wanna see me then cash at me, if I don't hit him back, he mad at me. Ho, I get busy with my glizzy, ain't got time for this and that. Catch me Fendi, Prada, Gucci, put it on, I mix and match. I told her that I'm just here for the neck, don't get attached. Caught her tryna sneak a picture, take her phone, lil' hoe, relax. Pull up, drop top horses, off white forces, take shit squirt, distortion. Perk got me distorted. This here cost too much, you can't afford it. Yo, whole way too boring. Pull up form, I'm flexing, can't ignore it. Known to put that shit on, this ain't high demand hoe if I wore it. They really mad that I'm taking off. I be in the mouth like dental floss. I told my little Nina Ross, I sit it right on her lips like gloss. Wanna forward the boss, that bitch that cost. Pick on a bitch, ooh, we like sauce. I'm catching plays like Randy Moss. Could've been had a meal out of shit I bought. I be splurging, ice nigga hurting. Link got me talking in cursive. Niggas say I look better in person, will see me, let's see make a purchase. Now that I'm rich, all my exes be worse. I'm look at them just like they worthless. I carry pistols, not purses. It see me ain't gotta rehearse it. She pull up, we skip the talking, couple racks to get away. Can't let you leave me with no hickeys, I see thousands on my neck. Every time I hop up out my sleep, I bet I woke up to a check. I'm too player, you can't fool me, niggas ain't good for shit with sex. I need a wood, I roll up dead. I was watching for they red dot. Let them trap me, ho, I bet not. I just make it bedrock. 1500 for the off-whites, I bought them dead stock. And if I put my mouth up on that nigga, I made his legs lock. Pull up, drop top horses, off-white forces, take shit straight extortion. Perk got me distorted. This here cost too much, you can't afford it. Yo, ho, way too boring. Pull up form, I'm flexing, can't ignore it. Known to put that shit on, it's in high demand, ho, if I want. That really matter, I'm taking off. I be in the mouth like dental floss. I told my little Nina Ross, I sit it right on her lips like gloss. Wanna fuck with a boss, that bitch that costs. Pip on a bitch, ooh, we like sauce. I'm catching plays like Randy Moss. Could've been had a meal out of shit I bought. Bitch, ain't.
The greatest.
If I ask you a question, I been knew the answer. Ain't no need to be lying. Why? Cause that might trigger me. Clip, I'm an empty, improbable cost for a body. Yeah, I know you broke and so is your bro. My dog didn't already ride him. Suicide, ha! But always still down for a homie. Yeah, I don't want the stroke, only the know. Pussy nigga, come slide me. Yeah, and after you done using your tongue, I'm sending niggas to the lobby. Ay, while you was in heaven, I was collecting, getting rich like Roddy. I only roll 7s and shoot Mac 11s. Pussy nigga, come try me. Make 'em say ooh like hot sauce. Blow a nigga top off. Money make me wake my rocks off. When you ain't gang, you knock off. Sherman ass nigga, you dash off. Don't back talk. Gucci bitch rockin' Prada. Still an original shotter. Sleep real good like a tile. Like a screw gon' do shit nada. You chasing your man, I chase dollars. Ha! Yeah, I'm Rapunzel. Got my hair down to my ass, nigga. 30 inches, but I keep a 30 pack, nigga. Won't get no notice. You get cut off like my last, nigga. Real gangsta bitch, don't get it twisted. I got class, nigga. Beat a bitch up like Hope this silly. Wish a bitch would is what I told her Jimmy. I get demonstrations, this hoes don't believe me. I'm giving out tips, these hoes wanna beat me. Bitches don't check me, I checkmate. How can I hate when I cannot relate? I'm making boss moves, I ain't making mistakes. You paying his bills and I'm paving the way. Ha! SpongeBob with the blick, we call that fashion. Hold up, wait, ayy. I won't trap no nigga, I be trapping though. They let a big bitch in the race and now I'm lapping hoes. And now they waking up each morning like what happened, bro? What's that you banging? He not a baby, but I bet I change him. Give me the green light and I rearrange him. I did not birth him, but I bet I spank him. Dumb bitch, you cannot play me. I see the bullshit and ain't no mistaking. I be so turned up that they think I'm faking. Might let off 100 and watch him start playing. Let's have a contest, your best shooters gets my shooters. We got AR, so don't you come out with no Rugers. They wearing vests, so we aiming for medullas. These niggas rap so tough, I put them in the sewer. Play these boys like an arcade, I'm a heartbreaker, bring the band-aids. Keep 3 niggas like a French braid, I stay on their brain like a toupee. Hey, snatch a nigga up, no lipo. I'ma do him wrong, I'm right though. Beat the black off, no Michael. Mean what I say, no typo. All my bitches saying they psycho. Blue 42, that's a crip with a 40. Fuck all that talking, you bout it to show me. She got high hair, so I smoking like Dodie. Empty that clip, girl, kiss and reload it. Get popped like a pill drip coating. Bit with the shits, I get it from my brody. I got a plan for all niggas that owe me. I write a letter like Papa, I fold him, yeah. SpongeBob with the blick, we call that fashion. Hold up, wait. I won't trap no nigga, I be trapping though. They let a big bitch in the race and now I'm lapping hoes. And now they waking up each